I already told you. I already told you. So this gentleman is now being a bit annoying. I'm just explaining why it is wrong what he is doing. Look, yeah, inpakken nu. So you see this, but the good thing is it's only verbal, right? He will not beat me. I'm going, right? I'm going. You could even help me, yeah? You want to help me because it's a lot of things, right? Huh? So, yeah, so okay. So, okay, they don't want to help me, so let me start bringing these things back to my car. That is fine. So, ladies and gentlemen of the International Criminal Court, can you imagine there are now all these police officers? Now I am cooperating with your order, Mr. Police Officer. By the way, what is your... No, don't touch me. I'm cooperating. I am cooperating. I am cooperating. I am cooperating. I'm cooperating. I am cooperating. I am walking to my car. I am... Okay, thank you. So, thank you. Yeah. I am getting my things. But look, why don't you just like your colleague? Your colleague is already carrying the Indict Museveni in Mahosi. That is, thank you. So why don't you carry some of my placards? Thank you. Just help me a bit, okay? I'm alone today. Tomorrow I'll be back together with some fellow Ugandans. So, you see, visitors, these police officers are threatening to arrest me. They're arresting. They want to arrest the wrong guy. No, don't be so childish. Don't be so childish. I am cooperating, yeah. And you know very well that I'm cooperating. I'm cooperating. I'm cooperating. I am cooperating. What is this kind of... I am cooperating. I am cooperating. I am cooperating, right? You are arresting the wrong guy. This is so childish. This is so childish. I am cooperating. Okay, guys. Please, if someone please can come to The Hague, I'll be in Scheveningen prison. That is where they'll probably bring me. This is, huh? So, free Eddie Mutwe, free all political prisoners. Yeah, I'm cooperating. Why are you guys so, huh? Why are you guys so kinderachtig? Very childish, very childish. I am listening, I am listening. Yes, I am listening and it is all recorded that I'm listening. Yeah. So. What are you going to, the car is open, hè? What are you going to do with that?
We go close it for you. Huh? Oké, we gaan even je fouilleren.
So, this is so childish. Hey, how are you doing? Can you imagine they're arresting the wrong person? Arresting a human rights defender. Banange. Arresting a human rights defender. You're getting the wrong... You should be arresting Yoweri Museveni. Ooh, this is painful. So, I just hope someone hears me. They are arresting the wrong guy. They are arresting the wrong guy. You can put this in my car, it fits in.
Waar zijn je autosleutels?
In the car. They are in the car. Here I am at the International Criminal Court. The real deaths of Museveni. Not Joseph Kony. No, Yoweri Museveni is the real killer. I want to tell these people that Joseph Kony is Museveni.
Hello, good morning.
So, I am a Ugandan activist. I might look alone, but I'm here actually with 127 Ugandans that want Museveni to be indicted. Kony is just a distraction from the real crimes that are going on in Uganda. These are the children of Kasese. So you're just part of a propaganda stunt by Yoweri Museveni, the dictator of Uganda. So the interesting thing is the guards are not here. And you know why the guards are not here? Because there are many people here. The international press is here. Kony is Museveni. Kony is Museveni. Hey guys, I have a message. Indict Museveni and Kony is Museveni. So actually the wrong person is on trial today. Kony, are you law students?
Some students, yes.
Okay, okay. Yeah, so one of the problems with the ICC is they go after some criminals and after some they don't. Right? Yeah? And many African dictators can continue their crimes. And actually the ICC is cooperating with Museveni.
Right.
Joseph Kony was a gift from God to Museveni. Because all those killings that Museveni himself was committing, he needed to scapegoat someone. And that scapegoat was Joseph Kony. Now Joseph Kony did really kill some people himself, but most Ugandans are killed by Yoweri Museveni. And the prosecutor, who is over there, has the evidence. We have presented the evidence to the prosecutor 2 years ago, and they refused to act. And the reason, we think, is that the prosecutor is cooperating with war criminal Museveni. I don't think it's appropriate to cooperate with the killer of 6 million Africans. You should know, when I announced that I was going to be here, so many Ugandans came to my inbox. They're so disappointed about the ICC. I think his representatives are probably even here today, taking the back exit because they fear me. Think of those witnesses of the crimes of Yoweri Museveni. They are not allowed to travel. They are not allowed to testify against Museveni. Museveni kills witnesses. Here, I'm going to show you, here is some evidence that we have submitted based on 217 affidavits. Those people would be killed if Yoweri Museveni knew them. I'm telling you, they would be killed, and some of them have already been killed. Of Alexandria Marinos, her statement is here in these files. And she died 2 weeks ago. She was tortured by CMI. She was raped by CMI. She had to flee to Kenya. She got sick and she died. She died because of Yoweri Museveni. And the ICC prosecutor, the Ugandan people, beg you for justice. Please indict the real war criminal. Indict Yoweri Museveni. Indict Muhoozi Kainerugaba.
No problems filming.
Okay.
But if you really want to demonstrate, we've got a lovely spot up there for you.
Yeah, no, but I appreciate the way you're talking to me, because your colleagues have been less friendly to me.
Well, I can't talk for my colleagues, but
right, guys, and I was arrested right here.
Yeah,
I was arrested here.
But do we want
right?
that? Does that help you?
It really helps me to talk to these people.
Not to be arrested.
No, I want you to see. You see,
yeah,
200 people are seeing
listen,
here. You see?
I can see what you're saying. But
yes. So I want to talk to these people. I want to talk to these people, and I'm not. How are you doing? Are you going for the Kony case? Asking the ICC to start investigating the crimes of Yoweri Museveni and Muhoozi Kainerugaba, because they have killed together more than 6 million East Africans. Thank you. You enjoy today. You see, I'm doing this very friendly, not so?
Well,
you don't think it's friendly? What is friendly? Hey, how are you doing?
That's a good question. I like
we request the International Criminal Court to investigate the crimes of Yoweri Museveni and Muhoozi Kainerugaba. I have the proof how horrible this is. You see?
Have you been to Uganda?
I can't go to Uganda because the prosecutor is refusing to act.
Beautiful country.
It is, and I can't go, and I want to go. I want to go, and I can't go. You see, this is my friend. She died 2 weeks ago.
I don't need to see those, thank you.
Yeah, it's horrible, eh? No, I agree. It is horrible. It is sickening, right? Yeah, this one. This is not. These are children.
How do I address you?
Huh?
Do you have a name?
Nico.
Nico.
Dr. Nico.
So,
Dr. Nico.
Dr. Nico. So, Nico,
Yeah.
how are we going to resolve this? Could you
No,
just,
just let me be here because I'm very peaceful and I'm just talking. I suppose you're working here. I request the prosecutor to investigate the crimes of Yoweri Museveni and Muhoozi Kainerugaba. That's it. That's my message. And then they walk in. I see you are laughing. I like this security guard. He is nice. Okay, I like you. You're a friendly guy. Thank you.
Nico, please
Yes.
don't touch.
Yeah,
That's not nice.
Yeah.
Okay, listen. How do we
But
resolve this?
but you're.
Because I don't want you getting
Are you working at the ICC?
Ask me one more time to leave the demonstration over.
So no, but don't start threatening me with police. I know what you're going to do now. Ladies and gentlemen of the International Criminal Court, my name is Dr. Nico Schoondewoord. I'm live at this moment on TikTok. There are 250 Ugandans watching, and we request you to start indicting Yoweri Museveni and Muhoozi Kainerugaba. Those are the real criminals. Comrades in Uganda, this is the placard that I'm showing them, and I see is Kony. Museveni is Kony. Dear prosecutor, dear people working in the International Criminal Court, on behalf of 50 million Ugandans that are suffering under dictatorship, I request you to start investigating the crimes of Yoweri Museveni and Muhoozi Kainerugaba. Kony is just a little fish. Today, there will not be any witnesses testifying against Museveni because Museveni will not allow them to leave the country. As I've been explaining, 5.4 million people have died in Congo. Ladies and gentlemen of the police, how are you doing? We wish that the Ugandan police was like Dutch police. I would have been beaten up now, right? I would have been beaten up by these guys if I was in Uganda.
No.
Yes, in Uganda, yes.
No.
You know, but the ICC really doesn't know what's going on in Uganda.
Okay.
Yeah? So this guy is saying that I would not be beaten up in Uganda, but he of course hasn't been to Uganda. And then I was waiting for you. Because look at this. Look, there is important. This is a major political event, and you know that these kind of things are fundamental to a democracy, right? This is very fundamental. The right to assemble, the right to demonstrate. So this gentleman is now fordering me, which means that he is demanding that I stop demonstrating. But I request that you state which law I am breaking. You're not saying it.
Artikel 461
But no,
staat ook hierop aangegeven.
No, but this is public. This is public space. Yeah. I'm going to go back to my car, and I'll just continue from my car. No.
Ja, gaat u?
Yes, I'm going. Okay. Yes, I'm going because I don't feel like being arrested today.
Okay.
But I'm going to file a complaint again.
Dat mag u doen.
Yeah, because we are not causing any bother for the people entering. You are blocking the way there with your car.
Even duidelijk.
Right? And I am on an official parking spot. Yes, I do. I already told you.
Okay.
I already told you. So this gentleman is now being a bit annoying. I'm just explaining why it is wrong what he is doing. Look, inpakken nu. So you see this, but the good thing is it's only verbal, right? He will not beat me. I'm going, right? I'm going. You could even help me, yeah? You want to help me? Because it's a lot of things, right?
Je hebt zelf hier allemaal neergelegd.
So,
zo snel mogelijk.
So, okay. So, okay, they don't want to help me, so let me start bringing these things back to my car. That is fine. So, ladies and gentlemen of the International Criminal Court, can you imagine there are now all these police officers? No, I am cooperating with your order, Mr. Police Officer. By the way, what is your... No, no, don't touch me. I'm cooperating. I am cooperating. I am cooperating.
Kom maar mee.
I am cooperating.
Mag je die spullen nu en wegwezen?
I'm cooperating.
Orde, dit is je laatste kans.
I am cooperating. I am walking to my car. I am... Okay, thank you. So,
Nee, het is
thank
nu
you.
klaar. Hup, die spullen
Ja.
kunnen wegwezen.
I am getting my things.
Gewoon even weggepakt.
But look, why don't you just like your colleague? Your colleague is already carrying the Indictment Museveni in Mahosi. That is thank you. So why don't you carry some of my placards? Thank you. Just help me a bit, okay? I'm alone today. Tomorrow I'll be back together with some fellow Ugandans. So,
Schieten nu.
so you see, visitors. These police officers are threatening to arrest me. They're arresting. They want to arrest the wrong guy. No, don't be so childish.
Opschieten nu.
Don't be so childish. I am cooperating, yeah? And you know very well that I'm cooperating.
Je bent aangehouden. Aangehouden.
I'm cooperating. I'm cooperating.
Aangehouden, artikel 461.
What is this?